Amid a massive surge in COVID-19 cases across the United States, Bahamas Taxi Cab Union President Wesley Ferguson says it was careless to reopen our borders to international commercial activity so soon. He said despite the policy that requires visitors to test negative for novel coronavirus, the move could put Bahamian lives at risk.
The United States is inundated. It's overwhelmed. It's an epidemic right now. I mean, they're not saying it, but in reality, the United States is in epidemic proportions when it comes to COVID-19. So we would have been very irresponsible or very careless to have a large influx of tourists to come into our country and to reinfect us. Because one thing is for certain, we would rather be broke and healthy than to be sick and have a lot of people flowing in our country that are making us sick and we're dying in droves.
According to the Center for Disease Control, there were more than 40,000 new cases in the United States on July 1st. There are over 2.6 million cases across the United States. Ferguson said while he understands why some taxi drivers have returned to the job, they are taking a huge risk.
So you could take a test today and be negative, and tomorrow they take test you again and you're positive. So, this test that they have within 7 days of coming here and all that other stuff. The whole point is if I took a test today and I went to a club tonight and I mingled with infected people, I'm still infected.
Upon landing, visitors have to get their temperatures taken and answer questions from nurses attached to the Ministry of Health. However, Ferguson said those measures, while good, are still insufficient. He suggested that the government should have taken a cue from the Atlantis Paradise Island Resort, which delayed its opening until the end of July due to a spike in cases in the U.S.
One infection could be catastrophic. We are being a little bit careless.
The country opened to commercial travel on July 1st. Roughly 600 people traveled to New Providence on the first day. The total number of COVID-19 cases in the Bahamas stands at 104. The most recent case was reported on New Providence on June 14th. Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.